Hello, it's time to get started with electronics. In this video, we'll be looking at the goals. First of all, we have Introduction to Electronics. This is where you're going to learn about most of the initial concepts about electronics and what they really mean. You learn about voltage, current, and resistance. You learn about some very important electronic components. You learn about basic electronic circuits, how to build them and how to design them. You also learn about LEDs, which means light emitting diodes. And you learn about resistors, different kind of resistors. You learn about the fixed resistor, variable resistor, and the special resistors. You learn about switches and how to use them in circuits. You also learn about batteries. Batteries are the components that provide the voltage that is necessary to drive current through the resistance of the circuit you're building. So you're going to learn about batteries as well, and you will learn about one of the most useful tools, or one of the most useful instruments as for electronic engineers, which is the digital multimeter. You learn how to use it to test for faulty components, how to use it to identify components, parts, for example, to identify the emitter, collector, and the base of any given transistor. And you also use it to learn how to test LEDs. Next, you'll be learning about how to build circuits with solderless breadboards. Solderless breadboard allows you to build a circuit and test it without having to solder or make anything permanent. It's very quick for making prototypes to see if your idea will work before you actually build it into PCB or before you solder it. You're going to be getting a first-class breakdown of how electronic circuits are designed from the beginning to you begin to see that it is not witchcraft, it is not something abstract. It's very, very easy, and I'm going to be showing you how to design electronic circuits. And then eventually you learn about other common components, for example the capacitors, the diodes, the relays, the other things that you meet along this course.